Hello everyone, so welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a carousel post design for your Instagram using Canva. So here, what you need to do is open your Canva and then use a custom size. So just click on the custom size option. And for the width, you need to add this. Okay, so this is on pixels, so the height is 1080 and the width is 4500, and after that just click on create new design. So a blank design will be open according to the size that you chose before. Okay, so after this you just need to go to file options at the top and then go to the view settings and now click on add guides. Okay, you can change the color into the one you want or how many slides that you want. I'm going to go to custom and I'm going to make it 4 for example, and the gap is 0. Click on add guides. Okay, so now there will be like lines here, so you can just add photos into each of this box right here. So I'm going to just add a photo from Canva. Okay, you can just resize the photo or fit the photo to the box. Okay, so I've already added photos for each of this box right here. You can see now you can just click on share and download these photos right here, and you can just upload it to your Instagram. So it will become a carousel post when you swipe the photo. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.